In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay AliExpress with Visa credit card 2025. Step by step. Let's start right at the beginning. Open aliexpress.com in your browser or launch the AliExpress app. Search for the product you want and open the listing. Take a moment to select the exact variation you need, like color, size, or any other option shown on the page, and set your quantity. When you're ready, choose Add to Cart if you plan to keep shopping or compare items, or tap Buy Now if you want to check out immediately with this one product. When you're done browsing, go to your cart and tap Checkout. Carefully review your shipping address to make sure it's current and complete. Apartment numbers and zip codes matter here. Next, pick your shipping method. AliExpress Standard Shipping is a solid choice for reliable tracking and balanced delivery times, but you can compare the estimated dates and costs for other options if they appear. Now it's time to choose how to pay. Under Payment Method, select Credit/Debit Card, then choose Visa. If this is your first time or you haven't saved a card, tap Add New Card to open the secure entry form. You'll enter your card number, expiration date in MM/YY format, the 3-digit CVV from the back of your card, and the cardholder name exactly as it appears on the card. Make sure your billing address matches the address registered with your bank. A mismatch is a common reason payments get declined. You may see an option to save the card for next time. Only do this on a device you trust. After you submit your card details, your bank may require 3D secure verification. This can be an SMS one-time password or an approval in your banking app. Enter the code or approve the prompt promptly, and keep the app or SMS screen handy so you don't time out. Never share these codes with anyone. They're meant only for you to confirm the transaction. Once the bank approves the payment, you should see a payment successful message on AliExpress. Your order status will update to awaiting shipment, and you'll receive an email confirmation with your order details. Tracking information typically appears once the seller dispatches the package. If your payment doesn't go through, double check your card number, expiry, CVV, billing address, and available limit, and make sure your card is enabled for international online purchases. Then try again. That's it. Your Visa payment is complete and your order is on the way. Thanks for watching and enjoy your shopping.